Hi there, welcome back to our Flow Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about SwiftERM, which is basically a platform that provides businesses with specific AI agents that can help with some kind of marketing. Okay, so first of all, we can see that there's no headline, which is really bad because if a prospect you know, visits this page for the first time, they will have no idea what they do. It's just an image of, you know, I guess something, analytical, but it's not clear. Okay. Well, but it is good that they have some level of credibility in terms of the brands underneath, but unfortunately, the empty slot space here is really hurting the conversions definitely. And here they go more in depth about what they do in terms of the AI agents that they offer. The only problem is that, as you can see, there is pretty much a wall of text here, which is not appealing at all. I cannot see many prospects actually taking the time to read all of this because it should really be put in a format that is more easy, which is easier to to digest, right? Just dumping a load of text like this, it's definitely gonna decrease your conversions, unfortunately. And even here it says no product out there that could more highly recommend. This is great. However, it just says trust pilot review, and it would have been helpful to actually have the name of the person, where they work, and when did they give the review. Okay, because this unfortunately is not as credible. And here they go more in depth about all the services that they offer, and they got a good video of what they do, which is
We
good
live in
for
an age of noise.
helping prospects make have a good idea of how the software works. And same thing with the Trustpilot review, it's good, but it needs more information about who gave the review. Okay, here they give more stats about how they can give you a 1,500% average return on investment, and they can also give you a 30 days free trial, which is good for you know, it's quite generous as well. Okay, so this is good. This is good in terms of the actual case studies that they've got. Having case studies is important to add credibility to your business, and here you can go read each individual credibility um, case study, which is good. Okay, and this then finishes the actual homepage. One thing that they could have done as well is potentially adding a frequently asked questions, a section at the bottom of the page um, in order to remove handle any objection that a prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. Also, if we click on start your free trial, we can check. They've got um, a sign up form. Unfortunately, this is not great. The reason why it's not great is because it's very long. Like there are so many fields, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 fields on this sign up page. 100% this will decrease the conversions because it's too long. You cannot expect a prospect to fill out so many fields, so now just at the start of the interaction with you, unfortunately. But why here they've actually got a proper testimonial because they've actually got the name of the person giving it and um, their title and what company they work for, which is good. But yeah, they need to improve the sign up form definitely for conversions. Also, just for completion, we can go and check the pricing page, see what it looks like. Uh, okay, so they say that the pricing depends on the database, but here you can get a rough estimate of what the pricing would look like for your specific situation, which is good. Okay, so this is good. Um, but I guess they could have put more information about what you get with each tier. Okay, so this therefore takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked this. And if you happen to be a B2B SaaS TED B2B SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call and I'll see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.